I'm originally from Alaska. I got into mining 17 years ago. I got in an entry-level job working with a multitude of skill sets, and maintenance really stuck with me. One of the biggest things that attracted me to this site here at Haile in South Carolina is being able to have the lifestyle that we have. I can drive 2 hours to the beach, and I can drive 2 hours and be in the mountains. The culture around here, the history here, it's a beautiful place. The community that we live in, the people around me, around my family, it's nice to have that sense of family, both in the community and city that I live in, and then also where I work. The opportunity is endless for personal growth and for career growth. When underground became open, I applied for a planner position and started out as a planner for underground, and more opportunities just kept coming up. And when the supervisor role came out, I was nudged in that direction, I would say, and I haven't looked back since. I would say that the culture at Haile is a culture of care. For me, I've always thought safety first, family always, and coming to Haile, they embody that. They really care about the people. They make sure that we have the tools we need to succeed, and they help us to succeed every day so that we can go home to our families.